Once you are diagnosed with PCOS, you start searching for the treatment options. Don't panic, we have a lot of treatment options for PCOS. Don't focus on the problem, focus on the solution. The treatment options of PCOS involves lifestyle modifications and medical management. Lifestyle modification is the basis of the treatment of PCOS, without which even medical management will not help. The basic aim of lifestyle modification is to increase the basal metabolic rate of the patient. The first and foremost in lifestyle modification comes your diet. Without dietary modification, there is no treatment possible for PCOS. In diet, try to focus on increasing your protein intake and reducing your carbohydrate and fat intake. Especially reduce the intake of refined carbohydrates, packaged food, and high glycemic index food. Focus on the carbohydrates which have low glycemic index, complex carbohydrates, and increase your fiber intake. Try to restrict the dairy intake also, because that has a lot of saturated fats. If you are too much into dairy, then try to switch to either soya milk, oats milk, almond milk, or other plant-based milk products. Try to have a calorie deficit diet by 500 to 700 kilocalories in a day if your aim is weight loss. So with diet comes exercise. This exercise is basically to increase your muscle mass and reduce your fat percentage. So doing around 30 to 60 minutes of exercise around 5 days in a week is prudent. In exercise, doing any moderate physical activity like running, cycling, or even intense yoga is okay, but try to combine it with some muscle training or weight training for 15 to 20 minutes every other day. Next comes sleep management. Sleep is very important to repair and recharge your body. So don't neglect your sleep. Try to avoid stress, try to avoid too much of caffeinated drinks, don't smoke or have alcohol, and sleep for 6 to 8 hours in a day. Especially the night sleep is very important. Then comes a lot of water intake. Fluid is very important for our body, we all know, and water is a natural detox. So taking 3 to 4 liters of water in a day is very essential. Now coming to medical management. Medical management varies according to the signs and symptoms of the patient and the aim of treatment. The patients who come for regularization of cycles are offered oral contraceptive pills like pills. These are hormonal pills which induce normal cycles. Obviously, it is given for a short duration of 3 to 6 months to help you also focus on your body and have modifications in your diet and exercise. These oral contraceptive pills are often combined with insulin sensitizers including metformin and other supplements like vitamin D, zinc, probiotics, etc. Then comes the patients who come for infertility management. For them, we have ovulation induction, in which we give medicines to induce ovulation. Usually PCO patients conceive with ovulation induction, but sometimes if it is not working, going for IVF is also safe. Thank you.